in case of a focal length of a lens. Okay, then the focal length of a very good evening. Today we are going to discuss about SSLC science definitions of concepts. Okay, a related topic we are going to discuss now. This is a part of a passing package also and scoring package also. Very important. Whatever the concepts are there, those given here. So let's start. Principal axis, straight line joining the pole of the mirror to its center of curvature. Radius of curvature, the distance between pole and center of curvature of a lens, it's called as a radius of curvature. Then focal length, it's denoted by small f. Okay, focal length of a mirror or a lens. The focal length of a spherical mirror is the distance between the pole and the principal focus. It's called as a focal length. In case of a focal length of a lens, okay, then the focal length of a lens is the distance between the optic center and principal focus. That's a P and F. Where in mirror case, O and P, in between O and P, whatever the distance is there, that's in case of a lens. Then fourth one, focal length finished. Fifth one, principal focus of a convex lens. The point on the principal axis where the rays of light after refraction from the lens appear to diverge or converge, that whatever the point is there, that point is called as a principal focus of a convex lens. Then principal focus of a I think they made a mistake here slightly, sorry, it's a concave. Okay, principal focus of a concave lens, the point on the principal axis where the rays of light after refraction from the lens appear to diverge, that's called as a principal focus of a concave lens. Then principal focus of a convex lens, the point on the principal axis where rays of light after refraction from the lens are converging, that's called as a principal focus of a convex lens. The next one, optical center, the central point of a lens is called as a optical center. Then power of a lens, the power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. P is equal to 1 upon F. It's called as the power of a lens. Then solenoid, a coil of many circular turns of an insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder. That's called as a solenoid. Then refractive index. The refractive index of a transparent medium is the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to that in the medium. Then magnification. Magnification, the ratio of the height of the image and the height of the objects. It's called as a magnification. M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to minus V upon U in case of mirror, and M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to V upon U in case of a lens. Then electric current, it is the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. It's called as a electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Okay, we measure electric current through ammeter. Then 13th one, combination reaction. A reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is called as a combination reaction. Then decomposition reaction. It is a reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more products. It is called as a decomposition reaction. Next one, displacement reaction. It is the reaction in which more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. It's called as a displacement. Then double displacement reaction. It is a reaction in which new compounds are formed by mutual exchange of ions between two compounds. It is called as a double decomposition or double displacement reaction. The next one, oxidation. The process of addition of oxygen is called as oxidation, or the process of removal of hydrogen is called as a oxidation. Then reduction. The process of removal of oxygen is called as a reduction, or the process of addition of hydrogen is called as a reduction. 19th one, redox reaction. Okay, it is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Then that reaction is called as a redox reaction. Exothermic reactions. A reaction in which heat is liberated are called exothermic reactions. Then endothermic reactions, a reaction in which heat is absorbed is called as a endothermic reactions. Then transpiration, the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of a plant, it is called as a transpiration. Stomata, tiny pores present on the surface of leaves, it is called as stomata. Phototropism, the movement or growth of a plant part in response to light, it is called as a phototropism. Then hydrotropism, the movement or growth of a plant part in response to water, that's called as a hydrotropism. Then next, geotrophism, the movement or growth of the plant in response towards gravity. In response towards gravity, it is called as a geotrophism. Then chemotrophism, the movement or growth of a plant part in response to chemicals, it is called as a chemotrophism. Synapse, the gap between two successive neurons is called as synapse. Double circulation, the process in which blood flows twice in the heart to complete a one circulation, it is called as a double circulation. Food chain, a series of organisms feeding on one another as a source of food is called as a food chain. Food web, what interconnection of a different food chains of an ecosystem is called food web. Okay, up to now we discussed very important concepts and their definitions. Okay, in next video again we have to discuss very important what exam point of view, very important things whatever are there. Okay, in passing package